Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and a simple review about this powerful website called Sprout. Sprout is a social media management website that helps you manage your social media platform. So let's get started. So what is Sprout? Sprout Social is like a super helpful assistance for your social media. Think of it this way: instead of jumping around between Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all your other accounts, you can see and manage all them in one place. So which means Sprout Social is a one-time platform, or let me call it one-in-all platform, that help you manage all your social media accounts, starting from your Facebook or Instagram, your Twitter, or your LinkedIn, or just name them, any social media account. So you can schedule posts ahead of your time, reply to comment, and also message, and even see how well your posts are doing. It's a social media management tool that makes your works or your life easier, and this platform offers the best of the best. You can keep track of multiple social media accounts without feeling overwhelmed. Sprout Social even has cool features like automated link tracking, and also you can see which of your posts are getting the most clicks. For example, maybe your YouTube. So that's it. And so this platform also has a wide range of benefits. So using Sprout Social, it isn't just another tools in the tools box. It's designed to transform how you manage your social media presence. So here are some key top benefit features that I stand to gain using this platform right here. So one of them is all-in-one. So all-in-one simply means social media management. So say goodbye to juggling multiple tabs and logging in different type of social media accounts. But with the help of Sprout Social, you can easily gain access to all of these social media platform in just a single place, in a single intuitive dashboard, which makes it more easier for you as a user, and it's even easier to use as a starter. If you're a beginner, if you're a professional, this platform has you covered. Also, you have access to effortless engagement. Never miss a beat with your audience. So Sprout Social unified inbox makes response to comments, message, and just mention any of those things that you do on your normal account. With this, you have effortless engagement. You also get access to smart scheduling, plan your posts, and Sprout Social media calendar. You can even optimize your post times based on when your audience is most active. You also get access to deep insight with social listening, which understand what people are saying about your brand, even when they don't tag you directly. Sprout Social Media also listening tools let you monitor conversation, identify trends, and uncover valuable insight about your website. And also you gain access to nurture relationships with social CRM tools, which help you turn followers into loyal customers. Sprout Social CRM tools help you build the management relationship with your audience. You're providing a personalized experience at every touch point, which is super awesome. Yeah, so this platform is great. So if you're a social media and you're looking for a way to run your social media in a profitable way, this website is for you. So let's check some most core important features of this website. So we have some core features and we have normal features. So these are core features. So one of the core features is the engagement. So you get a streamline and a skill that help you monitor your customers, cares, and community management. You also get access to publication, which is effortless plan, create, manage, and deliver social content and campaign on your account, on your Sprout Social account, that helps you run your social media account. You also get access to analytics, which help you drive strategic decisions making across your entire business. And right here is again a premium solution, which is premium analysis, which is gonna take you to another level of subscription. And also get access to listening, to influencer marketing, then employees advocacy. Then you also get access to a couple of AI activation, which is AI intelligence, which is AI automation, integration, and ensures data and security, which is super cool. Yeah, and you start to get a wide range of solution in terms of your what, in terms of managing your tool or your social media account. The first thing is manage your social media. So with the use of this platform, you can simply help you manage your social media with your blog your marketing efforts with intuitive, accessible tools, gather deeper insights, leverage AI to instill listenings and performance data into strategic insight, and also a lot of more like that, like a streamlined workflow which help you reduce in the complexity by managing multiple process in the single tools. Then you have also this, which is the drive more sales, which helps you sales more efficient with product and customers information in one place, amplify brand awareness, maximize the impact and reach of your social efforts to drive into better business results. Then you also get access to personalized customer care, which help you, create a positive and a brand experience with a quick, tailored response to your client, your audience, which is to be cool and awesome. Yeah. And also you get access to all this, which is the engagement, right? It's as it's listed on the platform. This interface right here, you get access to everything. It is full. These are the trusted partnership and the integration across the leading platform, which is Twitter, Instagram, and the company. Shopify is there, Trade, Twitter, and a lot more. Even Facebook Drive and other social media platform, which makes it more, super, which is more super cool for you to use. So here's it. Let's check the pricing plan for this website. So each website comes with different pricing plan, and this platform here is the pricing plan is kind of expensive. If you're a starter and you don't have much, you might not be able to use this platform. It's one of the best things because this platform offers the wide range of the widest range of tools that help you manage your social media account, but at the same time it's kind of expensive. Now let's get started with the standard. So they only have a standard subscription. So the standards are around $249 per month. Then you get access to 5 social media profile, keywords and location monitoring, unlimited AI generated AI left, and also get a review management, a group profile, on a post level reporting. And under the most popular, which is professional plan, which is the best for team handling a lot of profile with a high engagement. You have to pay $399 per seat per month. Then it has a free trial. It also has a free trial, but what it is, you have access to all the free trial once you make a payment. Then you are unlimited to social profile, unlimited competitors keywords, and paid insights, optimal times, send time, suggestion by AI assistance, and message tagging. Then under the advanced, you get access, you pay nothing less than $499 per month or per seat. Then also gain access to all these features, which is enhanced by AI assistance, sentiment in the smart inbox and review. You also get access to help desk integration, team productivity, and social customer care report, which a message spike alert. Then under the custom, which the payment is not reviewed, and it's also scheduled a demo. You can schedule the demo, everything in advanced plus. That is to say, everything we have under the custom is automatically advanced. You understand? It's even more advanced than the advanced. So this is extremely expensive if I just get started. I don't have much, so but this actually works this is the best so far, so you're gonna enjoy it. So to get started, just tap on try for free. So just tap on try for free, click on it, then takes you down to the sign up page where you can easily create an account with the platform. So let's try it. Let's try for free. So from here you can start try for free. So we only have about 30 days to try it. So with no credit card. So after the 30 days trial, you can now pay with your credit card, your debit card or your credit card. Depends on you. You can pay your debit or with your credit. Just link your account, link your card, then you make the payment. Then you have access to all the rightful tools. So right now we're about to sign up, which is the first step of signing, which is provide your email and a couple of information, then you proceed. Then boom, you're in the website. So currently, the website is on the I guess the server is really heavy. too much access at a go, so it's kind of making the website kind of slow a little bit. Checking my server, everything is retarded. So that's just as how you can simply get started. Input your Gmail, your company name, or your brand name. Then you can just get started. Then follow the next prompt. The next prompt will generate you, take you down to another prompt. Then with there, you walk yourself through. And that's it. Find this video, turn on the notification button, and follow for more. Thank you.